Sometimes, during long days on the road, we need to find something to amuse ourselves, so we decided to put a bit of gear to the ultimate off-road adventure show test. Alright, so what we're doing, we're going to tow this brand new Uniden UH850 DLX behind the trailer all day through the desert. I'm just going to tow this radio behind the car all day.
Copy that.
Looking a bit worse for wear. Does it still work though? How good is that?
I know.
Wow.
There we go, and then.
Why not?
Crew got a copy?
Copy.
Hey, still works.
Hello. Hello, hello.
How about that, eh?